Hello everyone, this is a VBA powered Excel application which provides a simple and efficient way to calculate CO2 equivalent emissions based on fuel consumption. It is designed for quick use, clear results and accurate estimations. So basically on the interface there's three buttons. There's the launch calculator, add new fuel, and then the about section. So let's click on the about section. So when we click on the about section, we get CO2 equivalent. It's a standard unit used to compare the emissions of various greenhouse gases based on their global warming potential. So this app calculates the CO2 equivalent emissions from different fuel types to help users understand their environmental impact. That's basically it about the about. So let's go ahead and launch the calculator itself. So basically on the interface there's a drop down which has 4 fuel which has been stored in a database called data where the cursor is actually. So these things these fuel are such that they have their emission factors associated with them that calculates the CO2e value in the back end of the code. So let's select a fuel, let's say LPG, then 12. And then there's this also drop down where you can select or toggle between 2 units, that's kilogram and then liters. Let's stick with kilogram for now and click on calculate. So we get the CO2 equivalent value as 36.12 kilogram, meaning if you have noticed there's a color. The color of the background depicts the result or the comments for that result. So on your right hand side you can see low emissions, minimal impact for the green color. So let's do something and then just add 2 zeros. Once you add 2 zeros, you see that the color changes and then the value also changes to 3612.00 kilogram, which corresponds to moderate emissions, meaning we have to use this caution as they are potential to cause more global warming potentials. So there's this clear button where we can clear it and then we can close the application for now. There's this additional feature where we can add a new fuel to the database, the 4 fuel that we were using, and their emission factors and the density. So let's go ahead and click on the new fuel and then we can type petrol and then let's take an emission factor of maybe 1.2 and a density in kilogram per liter of 0.87 and then just add it. Now it says fuel added successfully. Let's go into our database section and see if it has been added. Yes, we see that it has been added over here. And let's go back to our calculator and launch the calculator itself. So from the drop down we see that it has been added petrol. Let's see 120 and then let's change it to liters and then hit calculate. So we get the CO2 equivalent apparently to be 125.28 kilograms. So we can clear that. It's also a low emission, that means it's minimal impact. Let's clear and then close the application. So yeah, this is basically it about the CO2 equivalent calculator app. I hope you enjoyed it. Track your carbon footprint one click at a time. Thank you.